Hey, welcome to this week's edition of the Rugged Rundown. And this week we're going to be deep diving into the Dell Latitude security on the laptop. This is a Dell Latitude 5424 semi-rugged unit. Let's talk a little bit about security. So the first line of defense, of course, is the BIOS security. You'd want to set an admin password on the BIOS so no one can go in and change your settings. Once you set that password, nobody's getting past it. So don't pick password or 1, 2, 3, 4 guys. Give a password that has some changes in it. The other thing that you want to set is a system password so that when you turn the unit on, there's a password required to boot. And again, you're going to want a nice robust password so that nobody can just guess what it is. That's your first line of defense on startup of your laptop. The next one is advanced authentication. And this includes things like a fingerprint reader or smart card reader. So let's say you have a fingerprint reader on your Dell, you would register your thumbprint, for example, and then only be able to turn the unit on once you scanned your thumbprint on the unit. That, as well as having the password, is double authentication. The smart card reader is just a smart card that you can get that you would tap on your unit, it would recognize that card as belonging to you, and you could turn the unit on from there. A lot of corporations or even the military use that type of security. Another thing that is hardware level security, like TPM 2.0, which is basically a dedicated crypto processor with a unique RSA key. I'm not going to get too complicated here for you guys. Just know that it gives you some security that ties into all this other hardware security. Another thing is actual physical type security. Get yourself one of those, and they have it here on this unit, where you can just attach a cable and then it locks and you can wrap it around a pole or something, and so nobody can physically steal your laptop. It's chained to an immobile device. And there's also something on these units called stealth mode. So you can hit stealth mode on a Dell Latitude and it will shut off the LCD. It shuts all the lights off. Your backlit keyboard goes black. The fan it shuts off. It basically remains on, but you don't hear or see anything operational on the laptop. Let's say you're doing surveillance and you needed that kind of stealth. All of that, it depends on your situation whether you need it, but that's a great option. You'll be able to hide easier if you're using your laptop and you need to push one button, boom, it goes stealth. That's a great feature. All of these features tied together make the Dell Latitude a very secure laptop. Let me know what you think. I really want to know. Leave your comments down in the comments section. Don't forget to like this video and hey, subscribe to my channel, please. And I'll see you guys next week.